This will just be a quick video to show you how to avoid the automatic installation of the Windows 11 24H2 update, which is the fall feature update for this year. There have been some questions about what they're doing with this feature release, including a YouTube video by Chris Titus mentioning that they seem to be baking in the recall feature, even though these are not Copilot powered PCs, so that's kind of weird. And Microsoft's been pretty quiet about it. So if you want to avoid actually getting the 24H2 update, there is an easy way to do it. This method uses a group policy in Windows. So if you have Windows Home Edition, Windows 11 Home, you will not have access to group policy. However, there is another way to do it, which I will mention in a moment. It's very straightforward to do, and this will allow you to stay at the version you're currently at, which in my case is 23H2, which is the current up-to-date release just before the 24H2. So what this will do is effectively freeze the system in place, but all security updates, cumulative updates, and patches for 23H2 will continue to be installed. And these are updates that you need for, critical system security and stability. Okay, you ready? Let's go take a look. So this is Windows 11 Pro. You can tell which version you have by typing WinVer. Show you here. WINVER. It will show you, as you can see, this one is 23H2, which as of October 2024 is the current latest version of Windows 11. So 24H2 is the new feature release that contains the recall stuff and some other things. So we can freeze this system to not progress past 23H2. To do that, and you have to be running Windows 11 Pro to do this, the home version will need a registry edit, which I'll put a link for down in the video description. So type GP edit, and it should come up. Edit group policy. I'll make this bigger so we can see what's going on. So if you go into the computer configuration section, which is the top section, and you want the bottom item, administrative templates, then go to the bottom again, that Windows components, again, almost to the bottom again, go to Windows updates, and as you can see, we've got, if we do manage updates offered from Windows Update, we have some items here. You want the bottom item again. Select the target feature update version. So I have this enabled because I already did it in this computer, but if you double click on it, it'll come up with this dialog. It'll originally be not configured, so you want to do enabled. You want to type in Windows 11 here, just as I've done here. And then the target version for feature updates is 23H2, which is the current version. So if you have an older version, it will update you to 23H2, but not go any further. So then you would apply it, click OK. And the only other thing you would need to do to make it in effect immediately is to go to the command prompt, type CMD for command, and type GP update space / force, FORCE, enter. And that's it. So your computer will now not go past version 23H2 until you tell it otherwise. That's all there is to it. So that's it for this quick video. I want to thank you for watching. Hopefully it was informative, and we'll catch you next time. Take care.